The last time you looked at a pickle, do you wish it was life-size, playing the subtle sounds of the Scottish countryside? Then come on down to Pickle Pete's social channel.
Come on down to Pickle Pete's.
If you love jarring cukes and jarring sounds, well, we're the pickle page for you. I walk in, I play pipes, and see if they kick me out or not. I've been featured at places like your local laundromat, that bookstore with the weird smell, and almost every Irish pub in town. Not a pipe zone. So follow Pickle Pete on social media. We're getting into a pickle. Never sounded so good.
Enter for a chance to win your own small business commercial today, because H&R Block thinks if you're getting taxed like a small business, you should look like one too.